Welcome to this algebra tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to evaluate exponential expressions. This is a fundamental skill in math that will help you simplify complex numbers and understand how growth works. First, let's understand what we are looking at. An exponential expression, or a power, is made up of two parts. The large number at the bottom is called the base. The small number raised to the right is called the exponent. The base is the number that gets multiplied, and the exponent tells us how many times to use the base in multiplication. When you see something like 4 to the third power, it does not mean 4 times 3. Instead, it is a shorthand way of writing repeated multiplication. 4 to the third power translates to 4 multiplied by 4, multiplied by 4. We multiply the base by itself 3 times. Let's try calculating 2 to the fourth power. First, we identify that 2 is the base and 4 is the exponent. Next, we write it out in expanded form, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now we solve it step by step. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and finally 8 times 2 is 16. So 2 to the fourth power equals 16. Please pay attention to this common error. Many beginners see 5 squared and think it means 5 times 2, resulting in 10. This is incorrect. Exponentiation is not the same as standard multiplication. The correct way is to multiply 5 by itself, which gives you 25. There are 2 special rules you should memorize to save time. First, any number raised to the power of 1 is just that same number. For example, 5 to the first power is 5. Second, any non-zero number raised to the power of 0 is always 1. It doesn't matter if the number is 7, 99, or -3. If the exponent is 0, the answer is 1. Be very careful when dealing with negative numbers. Parentheses make a huge difference. If the negative number is inside parentheses, like -4 squared, you include the negative sign in the multiplication, giving you positive 16. If there are no parentheses, the exponent only applies to the number 4, not the negative sign. In that case, you calculate 4 squared first, which is 16, and then apply the negative sign, resulting in -16. You can also have fractions as bases. If you have 2/3 raised to the third power, you simply apply the exponent to both the numerator and the denominator separately. So, you calculate 2 cubed, which is 8, and 3 cubed, which is 27. The final answer is 8 over 27. The terms squared and cubed actually come from geometry. A number to the second power represents the area of a square with that side length. That is why we say 3 squared. Similarly, a number to the third power represents the volume of a cube. That is why we call it 3 cubed. Let's wrap up with the key points. Remember that the base is the number you multiply, and the exponent is how many times you multiply it. Always write out the expansion to avoid errors. Don't forget the special rules for 0 and 1, and be extra careful with negative signs and parentheses.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.